So make sure you are clicking on the current year tax return option with the home icon at the top left of the screen, and then hit the tax profile button below it. Then click on your tax profile option. On this page, you may scroll down until you see the rental income option and you want to do a check mark on it, and hit on continue button. You may have to answer some questions again regarding your taxes info. Just remember to pay attention for each TurboTax questions and choices, because sometimes it will related to your new income tax slips. And until you reach this page again, basically your home page, you want to tap on the income button at the left side of the screen and click on the rental properties option below it. And you may then start entering your rental income and expenses. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.